uh, programming. Computers means you must know any one of the language. Okay, so not only programming side, even if you know the database, you can go for a data analytics using database as well. Okay, if you know any one programming means you can go for a change your career to computer world. Okay, so especially the databases, and then nowadays a big research as well as a big earning salary, no? So that is a data analytics. Okay, so because after social media, everybody we can use the smartphone, the iPhone, Android phone, variety of phones. Okay, so data is generated a large amount. That is concept of our big data. So big data is available. So how we are going to analyze the data? Data analysis, big data analysis, and that. These are the current trending, most wanted as well as more salary also. If we go for like that jobs and that. Okay, so when we talk about the big data analytics, this Python is a very big role for data analytics. This is a simple language anybody can easily learn, like how we are going to write the statement in English, no, so similar we can go for write the comments to the this programming language. So for that only, any the title itself I given is anybody can this Python is for everyone, not only coming for the back that is a computer background knowledge. Okay. So coming to today's topic. Okay. So today we before I go for a theory part, so I want to know about yours. Okay. Just ice breaking session for 10 minutes. Just turn on your camera and then talk about me. Okay, so here just your name, you are from which location, and then your job title. That is enough. Is it okay for everybody? Please turn on your,
Yes.
yeah. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Please turn on your computer. Sorry, turn on your camera. Okay. Oh, Nurdia, are you driving? Oh my
No, I'm not driving right now. My husband.
Okay. You have camera.
I'm on my way to office.
Okay, fine. Hi, Mr. Shakir.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi.
Mr. Iqbal. Hi, Miss Louis. Right? Hi, Mr. Yap. Okay. Yes, Miss Noor Dinar, right? Noor Dinar. Can you please
Yeah.
introduce yourself?
Yeah. Right. Okay. Actually, I'm marketing team.
Okay.
I'm 44 years old
Okay.
from Cyberjaya.
Cyber Jaya. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Mr. Yap. Unmute your mic.
Hi,
Yes.
good morning, Miss.
Morning.
I'm from Kapong.
Kampong. Okay. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Shakir. Mr. Shakir, couldn't hear your voice. Mr. Shakir? Yeah, can.
Is it me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm Shahid. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Morning, everyone. I'm Shahid from Kuantan. I'm 43 years old.
Okay, 43 years old. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, Mr. Afiq Ainuddin.
Hi, hello. I'm Afi. I'm currently working on IT project management, and I'm want to learn more on data analyst.
Data analytics. Okay, I tried my level best, but most of the student is beginners only. Okay, so no worry about it. So if you interested means we'll arrange for one more class. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Because I'm looking for Python beginner, so I think this is the right session for me.
Okay. No problem, no problem. Yes, anybody wants to introduce yourself? Any volunteers? Hi, Miss Siti.
Hi, I'm Siti Jamia. Currently, I'm working as a PLC programmer. So
Okay.
I joined this class
PLC
because,
programming.
yes.
I
So,
want to also learn.
so I joined this class just to add my another skills because I'm looking forward to change my career into software.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Yes, Mr. Zagrul.
Hi, I'm Sahrul from Kajang.
Okay, Kajang.
I'm right now working as a data management. So
Okay.
today I just want to learn about the data analysis.
Okay. So everybody looking for the data analytics. Okay. So no problem. This is a simple language only. Okay. So in a simple language only, if you know the very strong in basic means, if you know how to do the processing for data means it will be helpful for do the analytics. Okay. No worry. No worry. When compare the Python we can go for using a coding to do the analysis. But there is a one software is that there is a Power BI software. No need to typing any programs. Just you can click and drag. That is enough for do the analytics. Okay. So if time is there means okay, well, fine. No problem. I will arrange one more class for Power BI as well. Okay. So there is a one faculty from India, Miss Bhuvaneshwari. He is more talented for a Power BI. Okay, so if you don't like programming, writing programming, go with the Power BI. If you know the Power BI, you easily to do the analytics for your data. Okay, so lot of if you go with the interior means, so you can even the one chart will be speak to another chart, dashboards and all you can able to create. Okay, coming to today's programming. Okay, so today I'm going to teach about basic Python programming only. Okay, so just because most of the students they are not entered to that computer world. Okay, so just I will go with the basic level, and then those are already having lot of knowledge. So I'm so sorry. Okay, but I will try my level best to uh, conduct one more session for everybody. Okay. Yes. Okay, so without any delay, just I will go enter to that Python. Okay, so coming back to today's portion, I already shared one Colab notebook, right? Okay, so just I will show my screen now. Okay, please wait. Let me share my screen. Is it my screen is visible to everybody? Yes, is it my screen is
Yes.
visible?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, so just I will explain
Yes.
10 minutes for theory part and then we'll go for the hands-on training. Okay. So coming to Python. Okay, so this is not a new language. So it will be created for 1991 itself. But after a lot of improvement, after a lot of adding the packages, models for easy to the users as well as flexible for the programmer, no? Now it will be trend. Okay, so because this is not a complex programming and that. Okay, so simple language, even school students also able to learn this programming. Okay, so today objectives, just I go for a begin basic level only, just introduction, what are the operator, how to just do the small programming. Even I will help you to guide for smaller projects as well. Okay, so these are the main objective: basic introduction, how we are going to using operator expressions, what are the variables, what are the types of operator, that is variables, as well as a object, that is a data we are going to handle for the Python, and then how we are going to control the executions, how we are going to repeatedly to do the executions that is coming for the loops, and then how we are going to creating our own functions and all. This is main topics for today's objective. Okay, so just to talk about the basic introduction. Okay, so just Python is a one popular programming. Okay, so there is an interpreter programming. The word you can come across in computer world: interpreter and then compiler. Okay, for example, C, C++, Java, ASP.NET, they can using the compiler. Okay, some programming like a Pascal and then Python under interpreter programming. Okay, what is the major difference between interpreter and then a compiler means? For example, I write the program. Okay, so write the program means write statement by statement. Okay, so just I am going to give the instruction to the computer. You do this one. For example, somebody instruct us, no, you do first job this one. After completing the job, go for the second job. After completing third job. Okay, so once you complete today's work, your task is finished, you may go to the home. So this is a way we can go for instruct the computer. You do first this one, after that you do the second one, after this is a sequential flow of execution. Okay, so like that, we are going to give the statement one by one. So that is called it for a coding. Okay, so this coding will be, okay, so we are using English language to write the coding, but the machine understand only machine code. There is a zeros and ones representation. Okay, I know Bahasa Malayu, I communicate with you for Bahasa Malayu. I know Tamil, I can communicate with you Tamil. If I know English, I communicate with the English. There is a communication. I use the language as a tool for communicating, sharing my information. Similar, as a programmer, I am going to communicate with my computer, with my program. Okay, so in this situation, compiler, what is the job for compiler means? Whatever I write the programming, no, it will be read over the instruction. After reading the instruction, first step is it will be check whether proper syntax is there or not. Proper syntax means, so for example, if I go for communicate means, if my I am good in grammatical means, you can easily understand. If I am poor in grammatical means you facing difficulty. Similar, if you go for communicate with the computer means you give the proper syntax, proper statement. The proper statement will be vary from one language to another language. Okay, if we know about that syntax for using statements, no, you can able to easily type the program without any error message. So if you have any syntax error means, first compiler, they can read your program and then identify the error if any mistake is there or not. If mistake is there means, it tell you which line, what are the error is there. Okay, so if you overcome the error, then only it will be convert this your program to machine readable format. Okay, so first one is error checking. After that, converting to machine. After that, it will be go for processing and then return back to the result. So this is a compiler. One shot, it will be go through all the line of your program. But interpreter also, it will be convert the information to machine code. But how the difference is, interpreter is, it will be read by line. If no error in that first line, it will be go for a referring second line. If no error, third line. If suppose in the third line, If we having any error means it stop the execution and then tell the user this line, this error is there. You correct the error, then only I can go for the next line to check. This is a difference between interpreter compiler. Second task is both is similar, but the way of converting, that is detecting the error, no, it will be vary from interpreter to compiler. So this is an interpreter programming language, high-level interpreter programming language. The term high-level means the language which is written for English. Interpreter means they use the interpreter to compile the program, transfer the program to machine code, and then do the processing, return back the rest. Okay. So this is a one small introduction about interpreter programming language. So this is not a new language. Yes, I already told you, know, the language is created for 1991 itself. He is the author for creating this one. Okay, so that is a Guido van Rosen. Generally, Python nowadays, after first leading language is a JavaScript. Okay. So second, after JavaScript, this Python is a second leading language for nowadays. So coming to Python, Python they can using for a standalone application. Like for example, if I want to have any problem, I want to find addition of two number. I go for writing the console application. Just write the instruction to that computer and then give the information and then get the result. Okay, so coming to, this is a standalone application program. Even, for example, I am having one shop in my village. I want to make one software for managing my shop. For example, I have the retail shop. So I having to insert the customer information, insert the stock information, and then sales information. Everything means I create one software that is a full pack. Software means collection of programs only. So collection of programs combined into one groups, that is a one software. I make one registration for customer. I make one program for storing stock. I make one program for sales information. Combined package of program, that is a one software. That is a one project. I can able to create a one that is a software development. Okay, so coming to that is nowadays most of them they're looking for a website development because whenever we can go for a know the people in starting case we ask the people, otherwise we ask the friends to know the people. But nowadays, if I go for a know the any companies, not only companies, if you know the person as well as they directly go for seeing their website. So web development, we can using the Java, this Python for web development as well as. There is a one package is that, there is an entire framework, that is a Django that is dedicated for a developing web application. And then software development, I already told you, know, that is a smaller projects and all. There is a one frame is there is a Tkinder. That frame is fully dedicated for creating the small software applications and all. There is a graphical user application and all. Okay. So even Python they can using for the data science as well as analyticals, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks. Okay, so all over area we can go for using the Python. Okay. Yes. So coming to what can do. Okay, so mostly what are the information I deliver so far? No, web development, for example, software development. We can interact with the databases. Okay, so here in databases concepts, no, especially. Okay, fine. So I create one project. Okay, so that is a retail management process. Okay, retail management process where my data goes to store. How I go to manage the data. These are the things we can do with the database management system. Okay, so currently there are a lot of databases is available. Okay, so structured data, unstructured data is also available. If you know basic information about, for example, creating databases, storing information, managing information means it will be helpful because if you know the concept of database means that is a database, not that is a big area. That is a small one only. That is a everything predefined queries only. If you know the queries to manage your data, you can able to just create any databases, because syntax is vary from one database to another database, but concept is same only. Okay. So even you can connect a database with your Python as well. Okay. So later I will show to you the sample projects and okay. And then yes, everybody looking for the analytics, no, big data analytics. So even you can go for using Python for data analytics as well as, okay. Even you can creating the software as well. Okay. So why we use for that Python coming here. Okay. Some languages that is independent. That is the independence means that is if we, for example, in my laptop I am having Windows OS. For suppose another person having Mac OS, another person having Unix, another person having Linux operating. Just I talk about the operating system of the computer. Okay, I create the program in Windows application, Windows operating system. I can able to run for the other operating system. That is coming for the platform independent. This is a platform independent language. As well as it is able to work for different kind of platform. Okay, coming here, this is a very simple language like a English language only. Okay, and then developer to allow for the okay. And then one more important for Python program is the complexity of the program. Complexity means a number of statements write for the program to find the solution. When compare the other programming language, it will be as much of reduce our complexity. How it will be reduced means in order to we use for the built-in models, methods. So it it won't have unwanted statement and directly you can write the query. That is enough. Okay, so even plenty of models, packages, function is available. No worry about that detailed description of the problems. Okay, so just you can go for using a built-in function, that is enough to complete the program. Okay, so that's it. These are the introduction about the Python. Okay, so just a basic overview about the Python only. Okay, so now what we are going to do means we are going to just know about one software, that software which is available for online. Okay, I will just give information, that is introduction, and then give hands-on training for the software. There is internet which is freely available software, and then I will guide you to how to install Python for your computer and then go for creating Python program for your software. Okay, yes. Okay, guys, having any question? Please ask. Yes, any question? If you have any question means unmute the mic and then talk to me. Otherwise, if you feel uncomfortable means just write your question on the chat box. Okay, let me check. No question. Okay, fine. Okay, so now we are going to, okay, I will use online compiler. Okay, so there are plenty of online compiler which is available. Okay, so everybody please open your browser and then type Google Colab. Google Colab. This is a Google collaboratory notebook which is freely available in internet. Okay, so no need for installing software. Okay, so we can go for using this Colab itself for creating the Python program. The drawbacks is you must need the internet facility. One more drawback is some application it won't work. If you go for data science and all, it will be good. So big data analytics and all, okay, fine. But if we go for interact with the databases means this will be not work that much. Okay. Coming here, yes, everybody please go to your browser and then type Google Colab. If you type Google Colab, the notebook will be open. Okay, so yes, please try. Let me share this to everybody. Yes. Yes, everybody. At the first time, if you open means it asking for a Google sign in. Just go for sign in. Okay, so yes, if everybody comes this level means just type 1 on the chat box. Let me know. Okay, thank you, Mr. Shakib. Okay, thank you, Miss T. Thank you, Aliana. Thank you, Nabila. Okay, fine, great. Okay, now, so just select the Colab is a hosted Jupyter notebook services. Okay, so in Python, okay, so if you want to go for there are different framework is that, especially Anaconda framework as well as a Jupyter notebook like Colab, that is this Colab is an online Jupyter notebook. So like that, there are different kind of IDE also available, integrated development environment. What is mean by integrated development environment means if I go for typing program means I need one editor. If I go for run the program means I need the interpreter. So interpreter, editor combined together in the one window. That is called it for IDE, integrated development environment. They can integrate the development environment. Okay, so here we can using IDE as well as the notebook itself. So this Google Colab, no, this is a Google product. This is especially for artificial intelligence product. Okay, later I will tell you where the artificial intelligence and all is there. Okay, so everybody use phone. Can you can able to open a Colab for your mobile phone as well. Okay, so everybody please click the new notebook. If you click new notebook, the online Jupyter notebook will be open. Okay, please wait. So it automatically in having the storage for your that is a drive. Okay, so this is an environment. Okay, so this environment we are going to type the program. Okay, so everybody please click new notebook. Once you click the new notebook, so here this is a title bar. So title bar you can able to change the title. So title which is having the primary name and then secondary name. Primary name is a name of the file. So secondary names defined for the what kind of file, type of file. Whenever we create any file on the notebook means that is with the extension IPynb. IPy means Interactive Python Notebook. Okay, so now I select the untitled 0 and then change to my name. Okay, for example, let me change to Python Introduction. Yes, everybody please change the title of the IPy notebook to Python Introduction. Once you change, and then we'll go for next. Yes, everybody please check. Everybody able to change the title?
Yes.
Okay, if yes means just type 1. Okay, super. Thank you. If you stuck on any position means let me know. If you come across here, okay. Okay, later no problem. Later I share you, no worry, Miss Wang. Yes. Okay, now. So I will explain this environment and then we'll go for typing the program. Okay. So these are the menus. If we click the file menu, see these are the options. You can able to rename, you can able the save this notebook file. You can able to download the notebook files as well as. When go for downloading the notebook, there are 2 options. You can download for the notebook as well as you can download for the Python file as well as. The extension is Py, representation for Python file. IPynb means interactive Python notebook. Okay. So here you can edit as usual. Copy, paste, search means you can use the edit menu. You can inserting. These are the menu bars. Okay. Coming here, these are the two tabs is available. If I want to adding any title over the notebook means, just I go for clicking text button. Okay, so see, when I click the text button, it automatically having one cell, text cell. Okay, now I am going to type, okay, simple Python program. Just I type simple Python program and hit enter button, that's it. See the title, it automatically coming. Suppose I don't want this shell means just I go for deleting this cell. Okay, yes, everybody, please click the text cell, that is adding the text cell, and then go for typing the title of the program, simple Python program. If you done, let me know. Yes, everybody done? Okay, I will explain once again. Click the add text cell and then go for typing your title. For example, let me go for typing created by Miss Radha. Okay, just that's it. Just I go for clicking the outer. It automatically created. See, whatever I go for typing, it automatically saved. I no need to save each and every time. So it automatically save you for your drive. Okay, so yes. Now I want to adding the code cell. Text cell is used for typing the title, typing the notes, information center. I go for a programming. So I click the code cell. So this insert code cell button, which is used to this is one cell which is used for typing your program. Okay, now what I am going to type means I am going to typing one simple program to display greeting message. Okay, just I go for type print, open parenthesis. This is a parenthesis. Print is a method, predefined method. Print for what? I am going to print welcome to Python class. Just a good morning, everyone. Welcome to Python class. That's it. Okay. Yes. Everybody please type the coding. I told you, no, this is a very simple language. I want to display greeting message on my output window. So just I go for typing the program. So I'm going to display means printing. Printing for what? So this message I want to print on my screen. Okay. So whenever you go for using methods, no, that is a parenthesis is mandatory. Here, this is a strings. There is a collection of character I am going to display. So the character which is in enclosed with a single quotation mark, otherwise double quotation mark. Both is representation for string literals. Okay, now, okay, yes, everybody, please type the program. If you done, let me know. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Python class. That's it. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, good. Okay, now, so I'm going to run the program. When go for run the program, that is a job for interpreter. Yes. What is interpreter job? It will be read the program and then identify if the syntax is correct or not. If any mistake is there, it will be highlight the error message. No mistake, it will be converted to machine code and then do the processing and then return back to your output. See, the output is written back. Yes. Have you all got the output? See the button here. The button that is a smaller, that is a triangle button, right? So just click the triangle button. It will be like that is a behind. It will be check your program. If no error, it will be convert to machine language, and then it will be do the processing and then return back the output. Yes, if you done, let me know. Okay, super. If you done means just type 1, I will identify. If any error message, just type 2. Okay, super. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Rafiq. Thank you, Mr. Faisal. Okay, fine. Purposely, I do one small mistake here. Okay, I delete the close parenthesis. See what I received. What happened? See, there is a syntax error is there. So what is the syntax error? Incomplete input. So incomplete input means, see, it will be highlighted the error mark here there in the line number 1 and the 5. So this is a job, second job. I know, I already don't know, detecting the error and then tell the user which location there, what kind of error is that. Okay, so even, okay, so if I correct the error, that is a debugging the error. Okay, if I debug the error, then only I can receive my output. Yes, understand everybody? Having any question? Is anybody having any question? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr.
No.
Okay, well, so far good. Okay, fine, great. Okay, now I am going to creating one more application program. I want to read my information. After reading my information, go for display the information. Okay, just I go for adding one more cell, click code cell. Now I am going to typing the information. Before typing the information, I go for giving title over the program. Okay, the hash symbol, which is representation for a single line comment line. Single line comment line means if I want to write any notes, if I want to write any program title. So in that situation, I use the lines won't be validated for the interpreter. So interpreter won't validate that particular line. The line is there. That is understanding for the user, understanding for the programmer, understanding for the some other person they are looking for that program means. Okay, that is used for command line. There are two kind of command line is there. Single line command line, multi line command line. Okay, for example, let me give the title. Read user information and display it. Okay, so just I give the title. Okay, so next I use for double single quotation mark. After that, I go for typing created by Ms. Radha on 15/8/2024 for Python NTW2024 students. See, these are the two type of command line. One is a single line command line. If I want to type my information is only one line means you can using the hash symbol. If I want to type my document for multiple lines means use triple single quotation mark. If you open triple single quotation mark, you must close. But here, no need to close. This is a single line command line. So this is a multi-line command line. Okay, and then one more thing, the giving the command line is the optional one only. Okay, so either you can go for a using command line, without command line also you can go for a typing the program. But my humble request, whenever you can create any program, giving the title over the program. Okay, if your program is a small program, for example, single line, when you read the program, okay, you understand what is the task of the program. Suppose in your program having 1 million of lines, that is 1 million of statements. Think about even after a few years, you go for looking, you are the programmer for that program. After a few years, you go for looking the program now. Once you can go through the 1 million line, then only you know about what is the purpose. Okay, so as a programmer for the that is a case for your side, but others just have a case of others. Others they can looking the program means is it able the patient to go through 1 million of line? If you put the title means that reading the title itself, they can understand what is the task of the program. Okay, have a practice for developing a having title, having commands lines using for the program. Okay, so even you can using the command line for here itself. For example, at the end of the statement, I use the command line. For example, display greeting message. See, if I run the program, the output only I got, but this command line won't be validated. Compiler ignore the particular command line. That is what happen here. Okay, for example, I run the program. So what is happening? In Colab, they can having this issue. Okay, if you go for software, it won't display. Okay, so what it will be a display means that is a \n means because that is a line, that is a new line, it will be started. Okay, and then this one, this is also before that, there is a one new line is coming for next line. So for that only it will be show like that. Okay, now I am going to read the information. Okay, so read the information. No, just I go for a giving information like a name equal. Okay, so now I go for using one more method. The method, okay, caps lock. No need. But here Python is a case sensitive language. Capital letter, small letter is vary for the variables. Whenever you go for creating variables, if you giving capital letter, small letter means it will be considered as a different one. This is a case sensitive language. Okay. Be careful about whether you can go for capital letter, go with capital letter. If you go for small letter, go with small letter. Okay. So now within input, okay, later I will share that recording to everybody. No worry. Okay, so coming here, I go for giving instruction, enter your name. After that, colon, space. Okay, then, for example, let me go with ask the phone number, otherwise age, date of birth, all the information you can be able to get. Okay, email, which is equal input, enter your email address. Okay, after that, phone number. Phone number equal input, enter your contact number. Okay, fine. So these are the three details I am going to getting from the user. Okay, after that, I am going to display the output. Okay, so for this one, I give the title, for example, read data from user. The following statement which is used for reading the data from the user. Okay, so now give the title, display information Okay, so now, whenever you go for a reading means, you go with using input method. Input method which is used for reading the information from the user. Okay, so if you go for a output or printing means, you use the print method. Okay, so let me go for a print. For example, I want to print all the information without any comments lines. Just name. Okay, after that, then email and then phone number. Okay, now that's it for my program. Now I am going to execute the program or run the program. See, when I run the program, see that is a green color arrow mark. No, it will be start from here only, not from command line. I already told you, no, command line won't be evaluate the interpreter. Okay, the execution is starting from here. So the purpose of this statement is it will be asking the that is the input from the user. Until you give the information, the system will be wait. Okay, for example, see the output of cell, enter your name. For example, let me go for typing my name. Okay, after that, I hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, oh, sorry. Okay, it will be asking the email address. See, the green color goes for second line. First line successfully executed. So, it will be go for evaluate the second line. Interpreter go and evaluate the second line. Okay. Second line, it will be asking the, that is email address. At gmail.com. Okay, I give the email address. Okay, next, it will be as the phone number. Okay, let me go for giving the phone number. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, see, once I given all the information, next step is it will be go for next execution. This statement, what it will be done? It will be display all the information. So what are the information I display here? Name, email address, phone number. So everything which is display on single shot. Understand everybody? So this is a way we getting the information from the user, display the information. Yes, try everybody. Okay, I copy the program, but okay, you try for your own style. Okay, so because my way of writing the program is vary from your. Okay, so have a reference, try for your side, your own way of writing the program. Okay, you don't understand the part. Okay, you understand this part, single line comments line, Mr. Muhammad? So this is a multi-line comment line. If you want to giving the comments for more than one line means you can go for using this one. Otherwise, you use a hash symbol for multiple line. Hash symbol which is dedicated for only one line. If you go with the multiple line of comments means you can go for using this one. Understand? Can the information be 2 words? Okay, no problem. You can give information given for any words. But here the variable should be one word. Don't go for multiple word for variable. If we go with the multiple word means, for example, I want to give phone number means there is a 2 word. Okay, I use underscore symbol. Phone underscore number. Okay, do we need add the semicolon? No need for adding semicolon at the end. This is a very simple language. Okay, even the alignment purpose only I use colon here. Without colon also you can try. Yes, any question? Yes, try this program. If you done, let me know. Done. So for hash will not be any output. Okay, no. I already told you, no, this is for understanding for programmers, not interpreter. Interpreter won't validate these lines. If you want to take a notes, if you want to write down any notes, means you can go for using this command line. Okay, super.
Hello.
Yes.
Uh, the Python will read the info, right?
Yeah, colors. You want to know about the colors, right?
And then if enter your name and then we enter other than name,
Mm.
how to you enter the wrong info.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So you want to hear, right?
Yep.
Okay, fine. I am going to typing the information like this. After that, press enter button.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can go for typing. See, it asking for second information from you. Second information, for example, let me go for typing my Gmail address. Okay, after that, hit the enter button. So here it will be asking the phone number. Okay, so at the moment, let me go for typing the phone number. Okay, after that, see the output. So the next line is this one. This line is, it will be display all the information. So it will be Radha and then email address, whatever information which is assigned for this variable, no, that information is displayed. Any
Okay,
question?
for example, okay, enter your name and then you enter number instead of name.
Come again?
You enter number for number, for example, instead of name. So how do we define, the info enter is wrong. It's not name.
Okay, that is coming for a control structure concept. Okay, we'll validate the input. No worry now.
Okay.
Later we'll validate. No worry. Okay. So coming to here, one more question, that is how I break the line. Okay, fine. So one is you use multiple in print function. Otherwise, you use here. Okay, fine. So let me try. \n. I adding the \n for all the information. Okay, so just replacing the comma to this one. We'll check. Okay, plus is missing, no? Oh. Okay. Phone number. Okay. Why I can use phone number for variable name? Needed to use underscore only. Okay, fine. So for example, yes, if I use more than one word for the variable, you cannot supposed to be use more than one variable. There is a word. You give one word for the variable only. There is a rules is that. Okay. Suppose see, if I use phone number, phone space NO, it won't allow. See the red color highlight, no? It automatically highlight. This is a wrong syntax. If I want to fix this problem means only one, I use underscore only. If I use hyphen, see, hyphen won't be allowed. In the special symbol, only underscore is allowed for giving variable name. How do I get the link for this? Okay, fine. Okay, wait. Which link you want? User. Yes. So this is here. So I make a /n representation for firstly to move the information to next line. So I use for combine the information. Okay, so after name, control go for before I display the email, controls goes to next line. First line, second line, it will be display the email. Next controls goes to third line, it will be display phone number. So see this information like this. If you want to display the information line by line means either you use multiple print statement, otherwise one print statement with the /n character. Yes, any question? Yes, okay, fine. Yes, everybody done this program? Okay, let me give one more task. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Ria. Okay, so coming here. So here, next program, okay. So next program is, for example, I want to find, there is a problem for a addition of 2 number, okay. I want to make a one application to read the information from the user. After that, do the addition operation. Finally, it will be written the result. Okay, so this is a task for me. Okay, so just to give the title. Addition of 2 numbers. Okay, so now tell me. So here I go for using the variable. Okay, so because I do the addition operation and then go to display the information. So I go for a use 2 variable. The variable 1 is num1. The variable 2 is num2. What is mean by variable? Coming here. Here also we use different names for storing our information. No. So the variable means that is a name which is holding our data. Okay, for example, here whatever information getting from the user, it will be assigned to name variable. Why I given here the variable name is name means what kind of values it hold? Name of the store, name of the user. So I give the variable name is name. You can give your own name. Not only name, you can give username, you name. Like that also you can give. Okay, so for example, I go for storing email address, so I use email variable name. I want to use storing contact number, so I use phone number. Even you can using contact number. So depend on the user, the variable which you are going to using, no, your wish only. But my humble request, whatever data you are going to storing, the variable related to the data which is storing. It will be easy for understand. Understand for you, not computer. Computer they can understand. Whatever information you give, it will be converted to machine. They can convert all this information to 0, 1 only. And then they can identify. But your understanding what kind of values you are going to store in, no, that variable you use. Okay. So coming to here, okay, name 1, num1, num2. Okay, you can using A, B also, but A, B using means there is no need, there is no, there is not, okay. One more thing, as a programmer, using the names, no, if you go for developing the program, they're using the names, for example, program name, otherwise function name, otherwise variable name, identifier name, no, it will be related to what task you are going to do. So here I am going to holding the data for number 1, number 2. For that only I use num1, num2. Okay. So here I go for addition of 2 numbers. Either I go for a addition of whole number, that is integers numbers. Otherwise I go for a addition of fractional number, that is a floating number. Okay, so depends on this one, it will be vary for using a function. But at the moment, I am not using any conversion function, just I go with the input function only. For example, enter first number. Okay, so after that, input, enter second number. Enter second number. So the way of giving proper communication also notable. Okay, enter first number. If you give a communication, enter first number means user they can alert. Okay, I'm going to key in that first input. I'm going to say, key in the second number like that. Okay. So now, okay, so just go for run the program first. I don't go for completing all the program one shot. Just I partition my program and then go for whether it will be executed or not. Okay. So first I go with the giving the first number 10. So okay, second number 20. Okay, my program runs successfully. So if you go for a partition your work and then do according means you have the confidence. Even you have a little more confident for a go further. One shot you type the program and then give the information to interpreter, it will be show error message means that is a difficult for as a beginner to go further. Okay, so make a small part and then go for run. If it is having any error, correct the error. No error, go for a proceed. Okay, now there is no error in my program. Generally, programming is a sequential only. Okay, the way of typing a concept is varied, but it will be a like a repeated task only. Okay, for see, number one coding, no, num1 equal to input, enter first number. What are the changes I done for second line? Instead of num1, I use num2 variable. Here, first I use second word. That's it. That's it, the changes. Okay, that is a similarity. Okay, coming to next. Okay, I directly go for display the output. For example, addition of two numbers equal. I go for typing result. For example, num1 plus num2. Okay, we'll check what happened. So it will be asking the first number, second number. Okay, there is a error is secure. Why? See the error message? Name error. Num2 is not defined. But I define num2. What happened? Any guesses?
Caps lock.
Because, yes, exactly. Thank you so much. Here, I use the variable 2 name is small letter num2. But what I try to adding, that is a capital letter num2. I already told you, no, in the variable. Python is a case sensitive language. If you change any case, capital letter, small letter means it will be considered as a different variable. So, what the system tell you means num2 is not defined. That means num2 doesn't have any value. Okay, see, num1 having the value, so no issue for num1. But num2 couldn't find num2 value here. So for that only this error. Okay, if you come across any error means don't fear on the error. How much you come across the error, that much you become familiar. You can able to correcting the error as soon as. Okay, so read the error, understand the error, and then proceed. Okay, coming back. Okay, fine. I want to modify num2. Okay, go for run the program. First number, let me give 10 and then 20. Oh my God, there is a logic error. What happened to my program? Supposed to be 30 is our output. But what happened? 1020. Why 1020? Any guess? Any idea? Yes. Why 1020? Supposed to be 30, no? Yes, absolutely. That is the string.
Fine.
Yes. So here I give that information is either number, either string. Okay, but this input method, no, it will be written string only. So when even though I type number 10, it will be considered as a quotation mark 10. See, let me define. Quotation mark 10. Quotation mark 10 means that is a string. 10 means that is a integer. So when I go for a string plus string means it do the concatenation. Okay, for example, okay, let me explain one more one. Okay, fine. Print, see, welcome plus Python. Just to have a small example, welcome is a word, Python is a word. I do plus operator, no? What happened? Concatenation. Combine the word. So that is a happen here. So input method always return that is convert the information to string. So num1 having string, num2 having the string data. If I go for string plus string means it will be combine the information. But my case cannot supposed to be like this. I want to adding the numbers. If I adding the numbers means I convert the string to number. So I use for the conversion method. So I go for converting the string information to number, especially whole number. Okay. So I use the int function. In front of input, I use the int function. Int means that is an integer. Now, I go for another program. So just 10 and then 20. So see the output, 30. Yes. Not only integer, should be integer. You can go for if we go with addition of float numbers means you can go for using float, double as well as. Okay. Yes, try everybody. In front of input, just type int, open parenthesis, enclose the enclose parenthesis. Similar here. Yes, try everybody. Suppose same program. I go for creating one more thing. Okay, suppose if I go for a addition of any fractional number. Okay, sorry, float. 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 So now I want to add any floating number. For example, 10.5 and then 20.8. In that case, you can using for the float data type. Okay, this is a conversion method. Especially if we go for plain numbers means you must mention the conversion method. 1 minute, please. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. There is official call. Okay. Yes. Sorry for that one. Okay. Coming back. Anybody having any question? Okay. Addition of numbers. Yes. It will be shown like that only. You can use a round function. You can use round function to reduce number of digits. For example, let me go with one more one. Okay. Print round off. For example, 25.9 like this, comma 2 digit. Okay. Oh, enclose is missing. See, you can using round function to reduce the number of digit after that. How to show my answer for 2 decimal? Is it okay for you, Miss Tyra? Yes. So this is a way we can go. These are the small console application. Okay. Now, coming to, this is a basic information. Okay. So coming to, okay. Okay. Anybody having any question? Yes. Anybody having any question? Welcome.
No.
Okay. Fine. Okay. If no question means, we'll do one more task. Okay. Let me go for creating one more program. Okay. So what program we are going to create means, what is the meaning for integer float? Super question. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me explain this one. Print. Okay, fine. Okay, I am going to printing the name. Okay, so name is a string data type. Okay, I want to know about the data type of the information. Okay, so just I use a type method. Type of Radha. See the output, it will be written class str. That means this data is a string data type. Okay, I go for display the number. For example, print type of, for example, 10. See the data type of 10 integer. Okay, let me go for one more statement. Print type of 10.5. So see, it will be written float data type. Okay. So in Python, what kind of value we are going to holding the particular variable? The variable automatically taking their data type. Okay. So good question. What is mean by data type? Data type is representation for what kind of data we are going to key in. Okay. For example, whether you can go for a storing string data, whether you can storing the integer data, whether you can storing the float data. Like that, different kind of data type is there. This data types mentioned for example, if I go for storing 10 to memory. For example, here see the information I use a num1 equal to one number, num2 equal to another number. The number which is storing on your memory, that is a computer memory. From the memory only it will be do the processing. So the number is storing on the memory, no? How many, that is a how much byte it will be take. One is a what kind of data, another one is a how much byte it will be automatically allocated for the particular data. These two things which is happen for the data type. Okay, see to that, this is a string data type. So I go for storing RADHA. So each and every character, they can having 2 byte memory allocation. Okay, so depends on the number of character I will handling, no, the byte will be taken from your memory. So here, integer data types, that is a fixed data types, 2 byte only it will be allocated for what kind of numbers. Okay, and then there is a range of the numbers also is available. You can go for either, for example, suppose just I tell you, the range should be 100 to 1000. You can give the number is 100 to 1000 only. Like that, the range of the particular number also is there. So float data types, it will be taken 4 byte for the any float value. That is a representation for this keyword. These are the reserved keyword. They can having the meaning. They develop the program for Python ready for use. Reserved keyword. Yes, any question? Whole number, integer data type. Floating number, that is a fractional number, float data type. Continuous character, that is for example, alphabets, numeric, special symbol, white spaces means that is a string data types. Even Boolean data types also is there. That is a true or false result you are going to store in means Boolean data types. For example, here see, print type of true. T is a capital letter. So see the output, it will be bool. Bool is a Boolean data types. So these are the different kind of data type is available. Yes. Any question? Any question? Okay, no question. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you. How many data types? Okay, fine. Okay, I will explain. No worry. Okay. Let me open. Okay, so far good, right? Now I can having confident to understanding my Colab notebook which I already shared, right? Okay, now I explain the notes which I created for you. Okay, so see to that, these are the comments line. That is I created the notes along with the description versus program. Okay, so just go for a run the program. If you having any doubts or clarification, ask me. Okay, so this is a Python comment. Okay, let me share this window. This share button, no, that is used to share this Colab notebook to anybody. Okay, so done. Let me share this Colab notebook to everybody once again. Okay. If we click the notebook file, no, you can able to see my what are the changes I done, no, so you can able to see. But I am the editor. You can able to see. You can able to download as well as how to download this notebook means click the file menu and then go for download option. In the download option, there are two options there. Either you can download for the Python file, otherwise IPy notebook itself. So if you download IPy notebook means, see the notebook file will be downloaded to your drive. You can able to open. Okay, if I go for a download as a Python file means Python file will be downloaded. So you can open with either a editor, otherwise if you have the Python software means you can go for a open the file. Okay, this is a way we can go for downloading the file. So otherwise it automatically saved. Okay. Coming here, these are the information which I quoted. There is a comment line. What is mean by comment line? Single line comment line, multi-line comment line. Okay. Oh, sorry. Triple double quotation mark. Okay. So triple single quotation mark representation for a multiple line of string information. Okay, fine. So this is a simple program for a which we already created. No. So similar, if I want to know about the version, Python version of the Colab means, okay, so this example, just I go for giving the definition purpose, multi-line command line I use. Here, I used to import one model or package, that is a system package. So this import is a keyword. For example, I already told you, some information. Python is which having a large number of packages or model. Okay, the packages model already created and they're ready for use. Okay, so I want to know about the version of the Python. So in the version of the Python, I use that sys model. Okay, so in this sys model, I'm sys model having the version method. This version method automatically return what kind of a version that is used for the Google Colab. Okay, so for that only import sys. Okay, let me little maximize. Okay, so import sys. After that, so this line is I want to. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, fine. It will be good. Okay. So I want to use a system model for this program. So for that only, I will import the system model to this program. So after that, just display the information. Yes, I already told you, no. So either you can go for using a that is single quotation mark for a string representation or double quotation mark as well. Both is the representation for string literals only. Just giving the information, Python version title. Okay, after that, sys.version. Sys is a model. In this model, I want to fetch the version method. Okay, so this method automatically return the information. For example, print method, whatever information you typing inside the print, no, it will be displayed. Input method, whatever you getting the information, no, get the information that is used for input method. Type method, which is used to return the data type of the particular data which you pass, no, similar version method, it will be written the current version of your Google Colab. Okay, if you run the program, no, so just you can go for run the program. So it will be displayed 3.10.12. Depends on the version of your Colab. Okay, so sometimes the version will be vary from my system to your system. Please check your side. My side, that is a 3.10.12. Please check with your side. Please copy the version and then paste it on the chat box. Okay, yours also. Okay, great, great. Mostly same. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Okay, so please try this program. Okay, now this program purely about, I want to know about the current system date and time. Okay, so for that only I use one model, that is a date time model. I import the date time model. After that, from date time model, I use the now method. The now method automatically fetching current system date and time, and then it will be written back to you. That written back information which I received for one more variable, and then display the information. That's it. Okay, if you run the program, it will be displayed for a current system, date and time. So my system current date is 15 August, time is 2:30:44, like that it will be displayed. Can we copy and paste? Which one, Miss Hairunisha? Which one you want? Okay, so please for your side. Please try for your side. The code you want. Okay, so, okay, wait. Try. Okay, super 3.1. Okay, so mostly same one only. Okay. Yes, This is one more program that is display the that is name and then age of the person. And then this is another program for just display the name and age only. Here, see here. So you can able to assign data for more than one variable. See, name and then age, which is assigned for Rahim and then age together. So one assignment operator assigning values to multiple variable as well as. This is another feature for Python. Okay, so here, yes, this one, I want to formatting the information. Okay, how to formatting means I want to display name colon. Here I want to display the name, read name, and then here I want to display the age. Here I want to display the address. So with using the format method. So format method which is used to formatting your output. In which order you are going to passing the argument? No, that order it will be displayed here. Okay, so first name will be displayed for here in this question, second age and then address. Okay, so if you run the program, the system will be displayed like this, line by line. Okay, so either before example we use the plus symbol, no. So here without plus symbol you can using directly like that also. That is a usage for the format method. Okay. So these are the small basic question which I created here. Okay, this is a definition for variable. So there are two type of variable. Variable means like one container which is storing the values. Two type of variable: local variable, global variable. If we define the variable within the scope means that is called it for local variable. Outside of scope means global variable. Okay. Local variable, whatever we created a variable in the program, that is a local variable. Function concept, when I teach the function concept, no, that time you know about the global variable. The variable which is a global accessible for throughout the entire program, not only scope of the function, throughout the entire program. If you want to access means you can go for using the global variable. So these are the rules and regulation of the variable. Okay, function of, okay, so here format function, this curly brace, no, empty curly brace, I am going to replacing the curly brace to putting some information on the particular position. This format function, this is a one string. I am going to format the string with passing or just filling the information. That is used for format method. Okay, so in which order? Okay, for example, this empty curly brace is representation for this values will be assigning here. Second curly brace is representation for age value is assigned here. So otherwise you can go for parameter like this also. 0, 1, 2. 0 is representation for name data. 1 is representation for age data. 2 is representation for address data. Understand now? I am going to formatting my output with passing the data value. For that only we are going to using format method. Understand, Miss Siti? Having any question? Okay, fine. Understand. Okay, see, these are the rules for the variable. So what is the variable? Variable should start with alphabets, either capital letter or small letter. Generally in Python, all the variable notation is a smaller case only. If the variable initial letter capital letter means that is a representation for class or models. Generally, all the packages, models, variables are smaller case only, fully smaller. If the variable start from capital letter means that is a representation for class different class name. Okay. So, but you can use a capital letter, small letter as well as, but be careful if you go for using capital letter, The data should be in that same variable. That variable means varying the variable. That is varying the values. Okay. Coming here, only underscore is allowed. Apart from no any special symbol. White space not allowed. Other symbol not allowed for defining the variable. Only underscore. Variable name cannot be start with number. Okay, so it should be start with the alphabets only. So variable name can only contain alphanumerics, alphabets, numbers, and then underscore symbol only. Okay. Variable name are case sensitive. Yes. Case sensitive means smaller cases vary from capital letter. Okay. So capital, see, these are the different kind of variable. Small letter variable as well as initial letter, capital letter, fully capital letter. These are the different kind of variable you can able to use. Okay. And then one more thing. This is a very, very important. You cannot supposed to be use keyword as a variable name. So what is meaning means what is mean by keyword? Keyword means a reserved word. Reserved word means the word already created Python program. They given the special meaning. If you use the word for your variable means the meaning will be changed. If meaning will be changed means entire will be collapsed. So don't go for using keyword as a variable name. So how I know about what are the keyword is available in Python means, yes, there is a function we can use to know about what are the keyword is available. So these are the different kind of variables and then assigning the values. These are the that is a variable, that is a valid variable, and then these are the invalid variable. Okay. So if you scroll down, see, these are the different data types. If you want to know about the data type of the particular variable means you can using the type method. Okay. So these are the some more example which I given here. Okay. Keywords. Yes, variables means which is container holding the values. But sometimes I use some names for example, function name. For example, class name, file name. These are called it for the identifier. Identifier also, which is similar for the what variable rules. They can follow the rules for identifier as well as. Okay. And then one minute. Keywords. Later I will share that information. Keywords. I think I removed that program. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, so yeah, this is a one more program. Yeah, so just finding the, okay, similar for addition of two number program. Okay, so for example, I want to find simple interest calculation. So simple interest calculations formula is, for example, principal amount. See, I'm not typing any information. See, the collab automatically giving the suggestion. That is, it will be detecting what I am typing previous. This is a simple interest formula, but see, it will be giving for the P is representation for principal amount, and then N is representation for, I'm not typing the information, but it automatically giving the suggestion. Okay, this is artificial intelligence. Okay, if I give you any problem for your solution, finding the solution means how your brain will be thinking. For example, addition of two number, 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 means 30. That is its result. So how our brain is thinking, no, this is a human intelligence. For example, 10 times 2 means, what is the result? 10 times 2. Yes, type the result, 10 times 2. What is the output for 10 times 2? 20. Okay, 20 divided by 2? 20 divided by 2? Yes. See, this is our brain. That is intelligent for our brain. That is a human. If feed this intelligence to machine means that is a machine learning. That is artificial intelligence. So, how we gain this information in order to practice? Okay, 10 plus 10, 20. This is a practice for our brain. Why 10 plus 10, which is not 30? That is logically wrong. Okay, 10 plus 10 means 20 only. Our brain is fixed like that. This information we feed to machine. So the machine will be, whenever I ask 20, what is the result of 10 plus 20? It will be written to me 10 plus 10, 20. Because I already trained the machine. This is artificial intelligence concept, right? So coming here, so this is a formula. This is very simple. Whenever having the formula and then go for finding the solution means very simple task only. The formula is P and R divided by 100. Sorry. Result is 100. Please change the formula. Principal amount, number of year, a rate of interest per 100. Okay, so this is a formula which I given to you. Go for developing the program means, so P value you must read, N value must read. You read that rate of interest. Based on that information which you feed to machine, the machine will be finding the solution, given the result to you. Okay, so I go for that only this information. See the information PNR. Finally, store the output to one more variable. So here, finally, it will be displayed. Okay, so let me find this information. Okay, before that, okay, we'll have the manual calculation. Okay, so just to have the manual calculation, principal amount is 1000 amount. I'm going to get the loan from any bank or somebody. Okay, I'm going to get the 1000 ringgit. Okay, so number of years I'm having this money with me 1 year. Okay, so rate of interest per 100. For example, let me go for 2%. Okay, now just have a small calculation only. This is a formula. This is only expression. Okay, the expression is 1000 times 1 number of year times 2 divided by 100. Right? What is the result? General equation. So what we do like this only. So finally, what is the result? Yes, calculate. This is a simple mathematical calculation only. Yes. If a principal amount is 1000, number of year is 1, rate of interest is 2%, means what is the simple interest? Yes, exactly. Super. Thank you. Thank you. 10 times 1, 10. 10 times 2, 20. So this is a manual calculation. I want to find this for, okay, the 1 year, okay, doesn't matter. Suppose go for calculating 1000 years. So little tough, little difficult for us to calculate. So I give the information to the machine. Go and calculate simple interest for 1000 year, 1 million year. The rate of 2%. So that is a task is easy for computer. If I give proper communication, see, you must read the information, you must read the second information, you must read the third information. After that, go for calculate the simple interest based on the correct formula. Once you done, you go for with the display the result to me. Just I give the instruction to the computer. Once done everything, you can able to see. Okay, wait. Let me give the information. Okay, 1000. We'll check. We'll cross check. 1 year. Okay, so 2%. Yes, correct only. Understand the concept here? If you go for doing such a things means, please verify whether the output which getting is correct or not. Because the way of giving information to computer only, it will be written the output. Okay, please cross check your output. Don't simply say whatever result given to the computer, it always correct. No. Whatever information you feed to computer, based on the information only, it will be written the result. Suppose if I wrongly type 200, what happened? Everything will be collapsed. So proper instruction, give proper output. Okay, so this is a way we can go for calculating the principal amount. Okay, just to have an example, suppose number of years, oh sorry, here I did no. Suppose number of years, 2 years means how much is simple interest calculation? What is the result? 2 years. 1 year 20 ringgit, 2 years means? Yes, tell me. Yeah, tell me. What is the simple interest calculation for 2 years? 1 year 20 means 2 years 40. That's it. 10 years means 400. Sorry, not 400. Right. 200. Right. Sorry. 5 years 200. 10 years 400. Right. Exactly. Thank you, Mrs. Zulaiha. This is a way. Okay. So this is a formula. Given the formula and then go for finding the solution. Okay. This is a very, very simple. If you given the formula and then go for finding means no worry about that cracking our heads in that. Okay, just to implement the formula and then get the result. That's it. Yes. Understand this program? Having any question? Anybody having any question? Okay, similar. See, this is one more program similar for a rate of interest. That is a principal amount. That is simple interest calculation. So just having the formula triangle. Triangle formula is half BH, breadth and then height value. You can read the breadth and then height value. Based on breadth and then height value, we can go for calculating the triangle area of triangle. So area of triangle generally, for example, if a room having square means square area. So if a room which is having for a triangle shapes means we can go for finding the area of triangles. Like that means we go for apply the formula. See, I already told you, if a formula is there means nothing will cracking our head. Okay, so just go for finding the formula, implement the formula, reading the information and then go for display the output. That's it. So B value is 5 and then H value is 2. So BH multiplication 1 divided by BH. This is a formula. Okay. Suppose here BH means here in this one 5 2 means 10 divided by 2. So result is 5.0. Understand everybody? So result is correct. Suppose if I go for another program, if whole number means we can easily to calculate. If fractional number means difficulty. But system won't have any difficulty for that. Okay. So here let me go with the 50 and then 3. See the output 75.0. What happened? Power issue. Okay. Okay, so am I audible, right? Yes, everybody, am I audible?
Yes, I can. I can hear you.
Okay, I think there is a power issue. Okay, hold. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, fine. Yes, anybody have, see, this is another formula. This formula is especially for calculating the area of circle. So that is a pi r square. Okay, so you can go for using a, that is a, if you know about the radius values means you can apply the formula. So pi value means 22 divided by 7. So 3.14 something. Yes, I already shared the Colab notebook. No, in that Colab notebook, the coding is there. Okay, so coming back, the radius one. So I want to having the pi values. Okay, so if I don't want to typing 22 divided by 7, otherwise 3.14 something in the pi value which are already stored in mathematical model. So just I use the mathematical model to get the pi value. This is a pi value. That pi value I am going to using the formula, substitute the formula. So here power function means that is a power function. For example, this is a mathematical function. So power function means radius power 2. For example, I go for a finding the 2, that is a pi r square. So pi 2 to the power 2 means you can go for with using the power function. This is a mathematical function, built-in method which is available. So I use the round function. I don't want to have a huge number of fractional. I want a 2-digit number. So you use the round function, make it for 2-digit only for the finding area. This is another example. Okay, so these are the simple example which I given here. Okay, so just to go for run the program. If you have any question, let me know. And then these are the built-in method, mathematical method. Like so far we use pi, round, like that. No, power function. No, similar. There are a different kind of mathematical function is there, especially number function, trigonometric function, sin theta, cos theta, floor function, logarithmic value. If you want to go for finding means these are the different kind of a built-in method which is mathematical function which is available. If we go for using this mathematical method means you must import the math model, math package to your program. Okay. Coming to here.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt.
No problem.
There's one question from Ili Kairunisa. She asked whether we can use data set import from Excel.
Yes, can. You can import from Excel as well as. Later I will tell you how we are going to getting information in that. That is a part for data science. Okay, later I will help you. Okay, no worry. How you are going to getting the information from Excel, getting information from some other files also. I will explain you. Okay, no worry.
Thank you.
Welcome. See, I told you no. So if you want to know about the keywords, see this program. This program especially used for know about what are the keywords which is available for Python. So we must import the keyword model first. After that, KWD list method which is used to return the all the keywords which is available in Python. So there are 35 keyword which is available in Python. Don't use this keyword as your variable name or identifier name. So these are the keywords. So far we use import. So far we use anything we use true, false, and then int, float. Okay, wait. Okay, later we'll discuss about the rest of the keywords and all. Okay. This program, especially for example, if you want to know about the keywords means this program is especially used. Okay. Coming here, yes, what are the data types which is available in Python? One of the student asking the question, no, these are the data type, especially for text. That is a str data type, string data type. For that is a numbers, integer, float, complex. Integer whole number, dot, that is a decimal places. Even complex number also is there. That is a imaginary values, and also you are going to handling means complex data type. And then sequential data type, list, tuple, range. What is the difference between variable and then sequential data types? Means variable, you can store only one value at the time. Suppose if you want to store multiple values in a single variable, means you go for using the sequential data types. Okay, and then mapping data types, like this is a dictionary. Like for example, a dictionary which having the reference index. For example, A means A, all the A letters which is available. B, what are the letters, what are the words which having the B's? No, it will be having that bunch of information. Similar, I can able to having dictionary like name versus keywords I am going to storing. Okay, these are the mapping dictionary. Set type also, set and then frozen set up also available. If we go for handling on true and false Boolean value means Boolean data types. And then binary data types also is available. Some other data types are also available. These are the different kind of data types is available. So data types having data range as well as a byte memory allocation for your RAM. Okay. So these are the smaller exercise which I already uploaded. Okay, so here how we are going to know about the data type of the different kind of datas. Okay, so number data, floating data, string, and that. Okay, and then one more thing. So far we use for a integer float in our input. Okay, so reading input. Okay, that concept is called it for type conversion. Implicit conversion, explicit conversion is there. Okay, for example, just have a look for this program. So just go for a adding 10 plus 20.5. So 10 is an integer data type, 20.0 is a float data type. So what happened in this situation? 10 is the lowest data types. It take 2 byte memory allocation. So float having 4 byte memory allocation. When look at this data type, smallest data type automatically converted to greatest data type. So 10 will be automatically converted to 10.0 and then value will be added to 20.0. So final result you will getting for 30.0. This is an implicit conversion. Okay, even you can forcefully to convert one data types to another data type. For example, let me go for same program. I convert 20.0 to integer data type. Okay, for example, print what? Okay, okay, 1 minute. Print 10 plus integer 20.0. Okay. See what happened? Oh, sorry. There is a spelling mistake. Okay. See what happened? Even the 20.0 is a highest data type. What I did here, I convert 20.0 to integer data type. So I convert 20.0 to 20. Okay, because integer data type having whole number, not a fractional number. So this 10 will be added to converted 20. So in this case, this is also integer, converted information also integer. So integer plus integer, result is integer. So it will be display 30. But what happened in this situation? 10 is integer, 20.0 is float. So in this case, the smallest data type automatically converted to biggest data type. So 10 automatically converted to 10.0. So 10.0 is float, 20.0 is float. So both is float, so result is float. Understand the concept? This is implicit conversion, explicit conversion. We use the following method for converting one data type to another data type. Okay, so that is a way. Okay. So this is one small example for a explicit conversion. How we are going to converting the information from one to another. And then, okay. Let me stop the teaching now. Okay. Now time is 11:02. Okay. Have a 15 minutes break. After that, we'll start for rest of the topic. Okay, everybody? Yes, okay, everybody? Have a small, short break.
Okay, we
After
break.
that, we'll continue. Okay. So, thank you so much. Go for a washroom, take a cup of coffee, take a water, and then come back. We'll start at 11:20. Okay. Now, okay. So now you can understand about what are the exercises which I given in that particular collab. Okay. We'll have the practical session and then I will explain now the exercise which I shared to everybody. Okay. Now, okay. So, okay. Anybody having any question about the basic Python programming? Is anybody having any question? So far, okay. Super great. Anybody having any difficulty for understanding the basic programming concept? Okay, now that is a basic concept here. Okay, so here we'll go for a little next level. Okay, I am going to apply the control structure concept. Okay, why control structure? So far, my programming flow is sequential flow of execution only. First line, success, second line, success, third line. I don't want to go for sequential flow of execution. I want to, based on some condition, I go for do the execution. There is a situation I am going to facing. Okay. So in that situation, there is a some keywords which is used for that purpose only. Okay, let me give that one text. That is a control structure. Okay. Just have a small example. So what is the example which I am going to give means? Okay, let me check my name. My name is Radha. The system will be tell you your name is Radha. Otherwise, the system won't respond to you. Okay. So for that only, I am going to giving creating this application. Okay. To check your name. Okay. So I'm going to read my name as usual. Name equal. Okay. So just I go with the input function. Enter. Sorry. Enter your name. Okay. So just I give the instruction to the user. Give your name. Okay. Now what I'm going to do means I am going to check the name. If condition name which is equal Radha. After that colon. If the names that is a read name which is equal to Radha means just you can go for printing the information. Hi Radha. That's it. Otherwise the system won't respond to you. This is my target. Okay. I go for run the program now. The system asking the name. For example, let me give the name is Radha. See the response, immediate response. Hi Radha. Suppose if I give the name is Iqbal, what happened? Nothing. See the flow of execution. If condition true, the statement which I written inside the if block, it will be executed. If the condition false, if any statement is there means it will be executed. For example, let me go for a typing here. Print end of the program. See the output? If I give Radha, it will be display hi Radha, end of the program like that. Okay, see the output? Possibility output. Hi Radha. After that, controls goes to execute the rest of the statement. Okay. Suppose if I give the input is, for example, let me give the input is Rizwan. Okay, so what happened? The statement won't executed. This statement will be executed if the condition written true. Okay, so this is a situation we can go for using the control statement. I don't want to execute a statement line by line. I go for controlling the information based on some condition. If the condition is true, the true statement will be executed. Suppose if the condition is false, the false statement will be executed. If the condition true, after the statement executed, the controls goes to end only. This is a that is a one-way communication. For example, this is a flow. Let me go for checking the condition. Condition true, true statement. Condition false, it go for the statement yes. Statement true. Based on the condition. True means true. Whatever statement which is written inside the if no, it will be executed. After execution, there is a no more statement is there. Automatically, it will be go to next line. Next statement. Okay, so what are the rest of the statement is there? It will be executed sequentially. Suppose condition false means it won't execute. It won't controls goes to inside the true statement. It will go to outside. Okay, so this is a simple if statement. Yes, understand everybody the concept? Having any question? Comparison, yes. Here, this operator is a comparison operator. It will be check the equality. Left side value which is equal to right side value. If both value is equal means it will be written true. If both values not equal means it will be written false. Boolean value. True or false. Okay, if true, this statement will be executed. If this statement is false, it won't be executed. Controls goes to outside. Yes, another question. See, name equal to Radha. This is a assignment operator. Symbol, single equal symbol. Okay, that means Radha data which is assigned to name. But here what happened? Name equal Radha. The system will check whatever information in name which is equal to Radha. If both equal, suppose here in first case I give Radha, so it will be matched. So hi Radha, and then end of the program is displayed. But second case, see Rizwan is not matched to Radha. So the system won't respond to hi Radha. The system responds if you are the person for Radha. Okay, this is a situation. Yes, any question? Any question? Okay, so try for your side. If you done, let me know. See the output. If all is small letter, then only the system will be response to you. Suppose I want to have a possibility input. Maybe capital letter, fully capital letter. Maybe initial letter, capital letter. So you can go for using one more condition. For example, name, which is equal Radha, capital letter Radha. Otherwise, these are the possibility input which is getting from user. Or name equal double equal initial letter, capital letter, following is a small letter. These are the possibility input. Fully small letter, initial letter, capital letter, fully capital letter. All the possibility input, the system will be response to you. So otherwise, here I go for using little modification. What modification I am going to do means, comma, name. Output, hi Radha. Whatever data which I type, no, that information I am going to display here. See, once you understand the concept for the program means, no worry about the syntax. Logic is must. In programming world, if we know the logic for finding the solution, no, if you know about that syntax to developing the program, you become a genius. Whenever in computer world, first logic is must. Then look out for the syntax. Understanding the problem. And then sit and analyze the problem. There is a, whenever you go for a data analytics means a first analysis. Why you are going to do the analysis? What are the things you are going to analysis? What strategy you are going to do the analysis? After that, this is a project management. Analyze, there is a software, okay, software engineering. Analyze, go for implementation. Analyze, implementation, testing, maintenance. Okay, so just analyze the problem. Just think about what are the criteria, whether you can go for simple program with the if else. Later we'll learn about if else and that. Okay, and then while loop, either you can go with the simple variable, otherwise structure variable, set tuple. So it depends on your problem situation, you can go for using. Okay, so yes, everybody done the program, having any issue? Having any issue? Madam, this concept means logical, or we can call conditions, logical conditions. Okay, print hi Adira. Yes. Yes, I expecting this error message. Okay. That is a indentation, right? Coming here. This is a little serious matter in Python, but this is not that much concept in other languages and all. In Python, the way of writing program. Okay, for example, see this example. If condition true, the following statement will be coming inside the if statement. If we go for inside the statement means either you can using single space, otherwise you use 5 space, that is a tab button. If we click tab button, automatically 5 space will be coming. Suppose I miss this means, see the Google itself, it will be detecting. Suppose I am ignoring this red color waveline, no, I go for run the program, see the error message, indentation error. That means the block you are not properly mentioned. See, if statement must follow the block of true statement. So you miss this information. You type the information line by line without mentioning scope, without mentioning block. That is a indentation problem. So in this indentation problem, you must overcome. This is a you must be concentration on this matter. Understand everybody? If you without indentation means it show the indentation error. Now there are no error, so it will be having. Suppose see I define this statement here. Have a small example. See what happened. See the scope? Hi, Radha, end of the program is executed. But suppose if I give some other name, no dinar. Okay, so let me go for no dinar name. See what happened? My expectation is the end of the program will be displayed. But what happened? It won't display. What is happening here? Because I define this print function inside the if statement. So when this print function will be executed, when there is a matches is there, then only this statement will be executed. So two statements together based on the condition true. But my idea, the end of program is always execute either true result or false result. So it will be not inside the if statement, it will be coming outside the if statement. See the difference between the indentation? Okay, so be concentration for your indentation for your typing program. If you go for mentioning scope or a block means you must define space, otherwise one tab for the particular statement. Yes, any error? Is anybody having any error? You can using either capital letter, small letter, not a problem. Okay, fine. Okay, now one more task. So here we use only if statement, right? We'll go for using a nested if statement. Okay, let me go for a nested if statement. What is mean by nested if statement means a if statement which contain another if statement, like a multiple condition checking. Okay, same program I am going to check. Just I copy the program and then paste here. Okay, so now I am going to check one more condition. The condition is if password. Just I go for a checking password equal 1, 2, 3. I go for checking the username. Username may be a capital letter Radha, small letter Radha, initial letter capital letter Radha, but password should be small letter RADHA 1, 2, 3. If this both condition, if both conditions satisfy means, so okay. See the speciality for color. See, it will be highlighted the gray color waveline. Red color waveline is for a wrong. These are the suggestion. Light orange color. Okay. So light yellow color. Okay. See the when I move the cursor over the line, no, it will be give the suggestion to me. That means see PW is not defined. I can identify. Okay, so now I go for typing PWD. There is a password. Okay, so input, enter your password. I go for reading username. Okay, let's modify the program. Username and password. If both is match means hi and then login success. Just to go for login success message. Okay, just to go with the run the program. Okay, so one if condition true, go for checking another if. If both condition true, go for a display the true statement. Okay, so just to go with the typing the information. So username, password, just I go for a checking. When go for using such kind of a statement means so you give both possibility input. Wrong input also you go for give and check. Correct input also you can type and then check. Both case you can check whether it is work or not. Okay. Now see the output. Hi, Welcome Radha, login success. End of the program. Suppose, see the output? Okay, but I type like this wrong password. So what happened? It won't respond. Login is failure. Okay, so later will be discuss about a proper coding. Else part also it will be detected. Okay, so this is the way we have nested if statement. One if which contain another if. If both condition true, the system will be go for executing the true statement. If first condition true, but it will be false means this case also it will be coming here. If first condition itself false means it will be coming here only. Okay, so let me, okay, 1 minute. True, go for condition. If this is also true, it will be print this statement. Suppose this false, it will go here. If this itself false, it will be coming here only. This is a flow. Yes. Anybody having any question? Yes, of course. Blocking. Okay, this is a syntax for core. The ending the colon, no, that is a syntax. Syntax means there is a format. You must use this format only. Suppose if you miss means the system will be show the syntax error to you. See, in this case, I forget to place colon. Run the program, the system will be shown to you syntax error. That is expecting colon. This is a general format. You follow the format whenever you go for a defining. This colon is mainly used for a especially control statement and then looping only. Apart from a normal statement won't be used for colon at the end. It represents the if statement is ended. Okay, coming back. Yes, try everybody. If you have any question, let me know. Okay. Yes, if we done, just type one on the chat box. Okay, super. Thank you, Mr. Shagir. Thank you, Miss Aliana, right? Miss Aliana. Okay. Okay, anybody come across any error message, please type 2. Muhammad Ali. Okay, fine. Tokenization, hi, welcome. Name, login success. Okay, Miss Tyra, right? Miss Tyra having this issue, right? Tokenizing line 8, hi, welcome, name, login success. Can you please share your screen? Let me check. There is a indentation error only. Okay, can you please share your screen? Let me check. Please share your screen. Yes, this, okay, fine. Okay, the if statement coming for inside. Okay, place the cursor in front of print. Yes. In front of print, place the cursor. Tab button. Hit the tab button. One more. One more. Okay. Now run the program. Okay. Type your name. Okay. Type your password. That's it. Good. Understand the concept. Whenever you mentioning the statement coming blocks means you must mention before white space or one tab. Ken, later I will tell you. Mr. Mohammed, later I will tell you. That is else block we can add. Okay. Yes, anybody having any question? Madam, how to make when we insert password? We hide the password. Okay. So, of course, we hide the password, but later I will tell you. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, so now, that's it. This program, no? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now, okay, fine. So far, we discussed if statement, nested if statement. Okay, now, two-way decision. If true, go for true decision. If condition is false, go for false decision. Okay, so there is a statement we can using. There is a simple if-else statement. Okay, so for example, if-else statement. Now, same program I am going to handle now. I'm not using much difficulty program and all, just the same program. Read the username, type in password. Okay, so if condition true, suppose else. Okay, before that, I go for a small demonstration and then I will explain this program. Just a little moderate. Okay. Statement. Okay. Let me read the one number. Okay, so just input, enter the number. I'm going to read the number, so I'll just go for a converting the input to integer data type. Okay, so I'm going to read the number. After reading the number, I go for check the condition. The condition is number equal to 10. If condition true, just I go for printing information is 10. Okay, so you are getting information is 10. Suppose yes, I am going to print else colon print is not 10. In this situation, if condition true, true statement will be executed. If condition false, false statement will be executed. Rest, you can go for end of the rest of the statement. Okay. Otherwise, let me go for using dash only. These are the statement X. See the flow of execution. First, read the information, check the condition. Condition true, this block will be executed. If condition false, else block will be executed. If else block executed, this information will be executed. Suppose fourth case, after true, it will be coming here only. After else, it will be coming here only. This is the flow execution. Okay. Now I am going to run the program. So just run the program. The system asking the number. If I type 10, the system will be display 10 is your input. 1 minute, please. Sorry. Okay, so yes, everybody, please try this program. Yes, please try this program. I will be back within 1 minute. Okay, please try this program. Let me clear all. Okay, so please try this program. Okay, fine. Sorry. Okay, coming back. Yes, Danny, everybody having any question? Yes, anybody having any question?
No, madam.
Okay, thank you. No question. Okay, fine. Okay, have one more task. Okay. Okay, what is the eligibility for voting here? What is the age eligibility for voting Malaysia? Yes, everybody. Guys, I'm asking the question. Tell me what is the 18. Super, good. Before that 21, right? The government announces 18 is your age for a vote eligibility. Okay. Go for developing application for checking the person eligibility for voting. Okay, using if else statement. Okay, just to go for a developing one program, checking eligibility voting. Okay, I'm going to in this program age is my 2. Okay, so just go for reading the age first. Age equal integer input. Okay, so give your age. Just change the question which I am asking to the user. Okay, if condition age either greater than 18 or greater than or equal to 18. Yeah, tell me. If the person completed 18, eligible. Above 18 also eligible. So let me go for typing the information greater than or equal. Okay, sorry. 18, the person is eligible. Okay, so just you can go for typing the information. You are eligible for voting. Okay. Suppose else. French. Sorry. You are not eligible for voting. See where we use if else statement. Depends on the condition. If my age is greater than or equal, either completed 18 or greater than means I am eligible for voting. Otherwise, just to give the information to the user, your age is not eligible for voting. Okay, so just to go for printing. Thank you for using my service. Thank you for using my service. Like this. Just to go for run the program. So just to check the age of the person. Okay, let me give my age 40. So I am eligible. Suppose I already told you know whether you go for a this kind of program means give correct information as well as a wrong information also you give and then check. 20 also. Okay, let me give 12. 12 is not eligible. So see the output. Which I receive. Okay, understand everybody? This is a situation which I am going to using if else. Depends on the situation we are going to using which logic. Okay, so once you know the basic syntax, you know the practice, no, this will be automatically coming to you. Okay, how we are thinking about escaping any critical situation, no, similar. Yes, anybody having any question? Understand the concept of if else?
Hi, ma'am. I have question.
Yeah.
I want to understand why you put colon behind 18 and also else, or if we don't have the colon, will it have impact on the syntax?
This is a format. In Python, after giving condition. If we use if keyword, giving condition means mandatory to put colon. This is a format. Similar, after else, you must put colon. This is a format. Understand?
Okay, thank you.
This is a format. You must apply this format only. Normal statement, no need. The condition statement, this is a format. Okay. Any question? Don't forget to put colon. If you miss a colon means the system show the syntax error to you. See the syntax error, the system expecting colon. Okay, anybody having any question? Okay, just go for one more task. Okay, we'll create the traffic signal program. Okay, so there are 3 colors, no? Red for stop, green for go, and then yellow for, I don't know. Yellow mentioned for what? Okay, let me ready to stop. Okay, super. Thank you so much. We'll develop the one application for traffic signal. Okay. Yes. Why? Okay, 40. Just I know this. Okay, just I go for creating one more program. Okay, so try for this program, everybody. If you have any question, let me know. Okay, I am going to develop one application program for traffic signal. Okay, traffic signal. Based on the colors only, I am going to give the information. Okay, so let me go for a read the signal color. Get the information from the user. Read signal color. Okay, based on the color, I go for, there are 3 color, right? So if, go with the red, green, yellow. Okay, so here, suppose signal color which is equal red. You give capital red, small letter red, initial letter capital letter red as well. Okay, so here just I go with the only small letter red. Okay, so suppose red means just go for printing the information. Stop. So, stop. Suppose else. Maybe another color. Okay, else. I go for else along with the one more condition. So else versus one more condition. Okay, so just go for reading signal color which is equal green. Okay, if green, print. What is the meaning for a green color? Okay, we'll check. Go. Okay, we'll go. Suppose I give one more elif. Signal color which is equal yellow. Yellow. If signal color is yellow means print Ready to stop. Ready to stop. Okay. Other than there is a no more color. Suppose if the user given some other colors means, okay, just read, give information. Invalid color, invalid input, please try again. Okay, now final statement, print. Thank you. Thank you. Message. If you want, means you can add the last line, otherwise not compulsory. Okay, let me go for run the program. So I go with the yellow color. Yellow. See, ready to start. Thank you. I go with checking one more color. That is a red color. Stop. Okay. I go for checking one more color. Green. All possibility input. Right input, wrong input, I go for give. Okay. Color green. Okay, go. Thank you. That's it. Suppose, let me go for typing black color. See, invalid input, please try again. The system should be response all the input. So this is a testing, you know. Once you develop the software, there is a tester is there, software tester. You give the give application to the system software. The software tester. The software tester, they can like that only give possibility input, wrong input, right input, your properly type, naming, everything they can go for analysis and then give the report to you. Okay, the perfection of a project will be done for after software testing only. There are variety of testing is there. Integration testing, unit testing, all the testing. Finally, it will be go for maintain to the customer. Okay, once go with the customer, keep on maintaining the software. Based on the customer need, you can modify the program. Okay, so this is a completion for project management. Okay, yes, everybody please try this program. If you have any question, let me know. No, there is no option. You must properly type. There is no option for a uppercase, lowercase. Even there is a function. Whatever you type, it the function will be go for example, just have upper. See, there is a string function which is available. Okay, for example, let me go for printing upper of. See the output. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. One minute, let me check. Oh, I forget. Okay, 1 minute. There is a function like a mathematical function. There is a string function is available. Okay, wait. one more thing, if you are the beginner, you want to start your career in a basic level, means this tutorial really helpful to you. Okay, so this tutorial, especially W3 school tutorial only, this tutorial which having a large number of programming. Okay, so see Java, PHP, SQL, CSS, HTML, Bootstrap, React, these are web development program, Django. Okay, so here, for example, capitalize, upper, is lower function, convert the string to lower, where is upper? Okay, function is using like this only. Okay, fine. Okay, wait, let me try. One minute, let me try. Name dot upper, name dot upper parenthesis. Oh, W3 school. Okay, sure. This website. Apart from even Microsoft itself, there is a learning path is there. Okay, Microsoft Python. Okay. The basic level only they can having the certification. Okay, if you want to really learn for a Python, means you can go for the Microsoft certification learning path website as well. See this one, this course especially for Python for beginners, they can having I think 7 model, I think so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 models. 10 models, okay. So go for a Microsoft learning path and then go with the Python for beginner concept. So see, if we go for starting your learning means, see the introduction about the Python learning part. If we click continue button, these are the text format and then images they can list out. Okay, so you can go for learning from Microsoft website itself. So this is a read, evaluate, print, loop concept. Read the one and then evaluate and then go for printing the loops like this. Okay, got need to fill up Google form. See to that. At the end, there is a exercise also which is available. Training is free. Microsoft, you can freely to go for a learn anytime, anywhere. But if you go for a getting professional certification means there is a price dollar is there. I think $144. Just to go and check price for Microsoft Python certification. Once you completed the model, no, in first model there are 8 units there. Once completed, they can having the quiz question. You can able to check your knowledge as well as. Once you check the knowledge, it automatically go for next model. Okay, so this is a learning path which is freely available. You go for a learn from Microsoft website itself. Otherwise, see the W3 school. This is also very simple. You don't know about anything computer program. You are the kid to start your career means this website which is really helpful. Smaller definition, small exercise. Okay, so you can go for this website. If you really want to go like a professionalist means go with Microsoft Even there is also like a beginner level only they design. If no, I don't want that professional level, I want to know about the basic itself, means this tutorial really helpful to everybody. Okay, see to that, in this tutorial, these are the panels. These are the different kind of information. That is a topics which is given. Okay, so far we come across comments, variable, data types, numbers, casting, strings. Okay, for example, I want to know about the operators, Python operator. Just I click the Python operator, see the information, small short notes along with the example. If I want to run the coding, means there is a compiler which is available, like a Colab notebook. There is an online interpreter is available. Here also there is an interpreter is available. If I click run example, no, it automatically go for the interpreter. W3 itself they can having the interpreter. Okay. So in this program, if I run the program, immediate output I can able to get. So suppose if I want to modify the program, means just go for a modify the program, go with just a simple editing, and then go for run, it will be reflected. Okay, that much facility which is available in this W3. If you want to go for a using, means go with using this W3. Even W3 itself, there is a having for a quiz and all is there. If you go for down, I think there is a quiz also, which is, see, the Python quiz also is available. You can check your knowledge, whether you understand the concepts or not. So quiz and all, it will be having a big basic levels question only they can giving, like filling the blanks, objective types question. Concept wise quizzes they can having. For example, let me go for a Python C 25 question, which function is used for display the hello world. Okay, separate function. You can able to check the answer as well as finally you can able to see the score as well as this kind of interaction they can having this tutorials. Apart from Java, T points, tutorial points, these are the different kind of online tutorial which is available. Okay, if you are the beginner, go with this one. Otherwise, Microsoft. Okay, if you learn this one, go with Microsoft. Okay, so if you get the professional certification, means you must pay the exam fees only. Okay, coming back here, having any question? Is anybody having any question? Yes, the question which I ask, which you ask, no. Any possibility for avoiding capital letter or small letter? Whatever information you can give in to the user, better to convert it to some other format and then go for checking. It will be reduce your way. That is a reduce for your burden. Whatever input given from the user, I convert all the information to upper and then check, means problem solved. No, I want a perfect checking, means you can give all the checking for all the possibility input and then go for a develop the program. Okay, fine. Yes, anybody having any question? Everybody done the traffic signal program? Okay, thank you so much. Fine. Now, okay, fine. If over, if else over, elif also over. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the concept. What is the concept means? Looping. Okay, so what is mean by loop means? So far, we look at the concept for if condition true, true statement. Without control means sequential execution. There is a situation I want to do this task for number of time. For example, I want to print my name for 100 times. Okay, I want to print for example, number from 1 to 100. These are the repeated operation. If I go for do repeated operations means there is a use for using looping. Okay, so if else, elif later, these are the concept for control structure Okay, control structure, we can build with the logical operator only. So talk about the operators. There are variety of operator is there. So just to have a look for the Colab notebook which I shared, no, arithmetic operator, like for example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus operation and all means arithmetic operator. Okay, so especially for condition checking means a relational operator. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, and all. So logical operator, which is a checking for more than condition. For example, and or not operator and a logical operator. Even some other operator also which is available. Okay, so mostly arithmetic operation, relational operator and the logical operator only they can use it. If we go for bit level means they can having the bitwise operator and all. So these are the variety of operator which is support for Python. Okay, just to have a look for the Colab. I give explanation with the example. Okay, so just to go through that set. Okay, coming to this concept, especially looping. Okay, there are two type of loop is there, while loop and then for loop. Okay, for example, let me go for display the numbers from 1 to 5. Okay, there is a repeated operation only. Okay, so I go for a initialize one variable, so which is equal to 1. My starting number, initialize a variable which is used for starting number. Okay, so after that, so just I go for checking the condition until I value less than or equal to 5. I go with the display the information. After that, okay, after display the information, I want to increment the I value. So just I value equal I plus 1. That's it. Okay, just I go for run the program. So just you see the output 1 up to 5. That means, so first it will be display 1. After that increment and then display according until the condition true. Okay, so how the internal execution will be that means, so first statement is I value equal to 1. See the execution, I value equal to 1. First execution, first line executed. Now it will be check the condition 1 less than or equal to 5. If condition true, the true statement will be executed. These are the block of statement. Suppose false, it will be go outer. There is no statement which I written here. So it will be stop the execution of the program. Okay. Now tell me condition true or false. 1 smaller than 5. Condition true or false? Yeah, tell me condition true or false? True. If true, go for printing the I value. So what is the current I value? 1. So it will be print the I value. Next statement, I value becoming 1. 1 incremented. Okay, so now I value becoming 2 at the end of the first looping execution. Now, I already told you, no, until the condition true, the statement will be repeatedly executed. So, it will be coming here. This is the flow of execution. Until condition true, the loop will be repeatedly executed. Now, in the second execution, looping execution, I value will be 2. So, it will be check the condition 2 smaller than 5. Now, tell me condition true or false? 2 is smaller than 5. So, okay, true. If true means I value will be printed. After that, I value becoming 3. Okay, now it will be go for third execution. 3 less than or equal to 5. 3 is smaller than 5. Condition true. True means it will be go for printing 3. I value becoming 4. In the fourth execution, 4 less than or equal to 5. Condition true. So it will be print 4 value. And then I value becoming 5. Now tell me 5 smaller than or equal to 5. Condition true or false? True. Because I am going to check equal or lesser. So, value will be printed. Since the execution, I value is 6. 6 is smaller than equal to 5. Condition true or false? Condition false. In this situation, controls comes here. There is a no more statement, so stop execution. This is an internal execution flow. Okay, understand the concepts here? Any questions? Sorry. Okay, now, yes. Now, okay, so try this program. Display numbers from 1 to 5. Okay, so try this program. Keep it in your mind. When you go for using while loop, the 3 statement is mandatory. Initialize the control variable. Control variable means the variable which is used for checking the condition purpose. Initialize the control variable, checking the condition, and then updating the control variable. This 3 statement is mandatory. You can use some other name of the variable, not a problem. But initialization, checking condition, updation should be there. Okay. Now, similar program. Okay. So try for everybody. I want to display number from 5 to 1. This program, which is used for display the number from 1 to 5. I want to display the number from 5 to 1. Yes, try everybody. Okay. Yes. We'll see who complete first. Yes, please try. If you done, let me know. Please try this program. I want to display the number from 5 to 1. Descending order. This is ascending order. Smaller to bigger number. Bigger to smaller number, there is a descending order. Try everybody. If you done, let me know. Have a 2 minutes time. We'll see who will finish.
Hi, Miss Radha.
Hello.
Maybe on phone.
Okay, sorry. Okay, super. Good job. Okay, let me copy the information. Go for new loop. Paste. What happened? There is an issue, right? There is an indentation issue. Exactly. Okay. So starting number is 5. Here you can go for decrementing. So you can check with the condition like this. So after that, you can go for a degree at the I value. Super, good job. Yes. Yes, anybody having any question? Okay, now we are going to discuss about the topic for a nested while loop. Okay, so what is mean by nested while loop means like a nested if no if contain another if, like that while contain another while. Okay, let me go for one more program. Okay, do one thing, do one more task, display your name in 5 times. Yes, everybody try the program, display your names in 5 times. Okay, go with 50 times. Okay, so try this program for everybody. Similar for this previous program. Read your name. Based on your names, here you can go for display your name. Yes, try everybody. If you done, let me know. Yes, everybody able to develop the program, display your name in 50 times. Ma'am, my call up taking no. Okay, Miss Noor Dinar, based on the internet facility, it will be take the time. Okay, so can you please refresh once again and then try. Refresh your call app and then try. Okay, fine. Okay, super. Mr. Rafiq, can you please share your screen? Let me check. Mr. Rafiq. Okay. See, I told you to display your name, not your name word. Afiq Ainuddin. Okay, let me share my screen once again. Go for defining name. Name equal. For example, just I go directly give the name 50 times. Go with the display the name. After that, just go with the after name, give 1 5 space and ed end equal /t. I apply. Okay, we'll check. See, this is a name. Okay, even you can go with the line by line. With empty print means it will be go for a line by line. So this end parameter which is used for after display the name, I use a /t. /t means that is a tab symbol. Okay, so if you press the tab button, no, it will be have 5 white space similar. Okay, see. like this. Okay, yes. Try this program, everybody. Super. Okay, now, okay, so far we discussed for the while loop. See the magic for the for loop. I don't want to define a control variable declaration, checking the condition, updating the variable, and I use a for loop to reduce the number of statements. Similar for while loop, it is also used for repeated task only. See the function for I in, this is a membership operator. Okay, so range of 1, 0. Okay, so I am going to starting number is 1, ending number is 5. 6 means n minus 1, 1 to that particular range. Between numbers, it will be go for display. So this range method, like a input method, a print method, type method, range method, always return the values within the particular range. When the range is gone, it will be stop the execution. So first time it will be written 1, that 1 will be assigned to I. It will be printed. So after that no more statements, so again next number will be assigned, printed. Next number assigned, printed. Like that it will be display for 1 to 5. Okay, I want to display 5 means 6 as well as means go with the one more increment number. 1 to 6. Like that it will be having. Okay, yes, try this program everybody. Display the numbers using for loop. Okay, if you try means try this program multiplication table. Okay, so display the multiplication table. Okay, so how it will be display means 1 times 2 equal to 2 times 2 equal 4. Like that multiplication table is there, no? Like that. Okay, 3 times 2 equal 6. Like that it will be display like okay, so just display like this 10 times, okay, 10 times 2 equal to 20. Try this program using for loop. So this multiplier is a solid multiplier. I is for increment variable. Okay, so these are the result, multiplication result. Try everybody this program. If you done, let me know. Take a 2 minutes time, try for this program. Super. Okay, we'll see. Okay, let me copy paste. Nabiha, your coding. We'll check. Okay, good. That's it. Super. Okay, but my expectation is you read the multiplier. input, integer, input, okay, enter multiplier value. Okay, after that, here just I modify, okay, comma, here you give multiplier value. Same your program only, just do small modification only. Comma, quotation mark. Here, not directly to multiplier. Now, for example, I want to know the force table. See, multiplication table for 4. Depends on the input which I give, the system will be generate the multiplication table. Then, understand Miss Nabiha? Thank you, super effort. See, by God grace, every species having their uniqueness. We cannot generate duplicate for one to another. Okay. Your way of thought is differ from my way of thought. Your way of developing program is my way of developing program, differ from. So, understand the problem, think your own idea. Don't by heart anybody, don't copy paste anybody. Okay, think your creativity and then go for finding the solution. Good effort. Yes. Okay. Okay, and then that's it. I think this is enough for everybody. Okay, so just my plan is 2 more concept, but this is enough for everybody because I teach over. No, you become tired. Okay, so that's it for today's portion. Okay, so far you learn for basic Python programming. This is a beginner level. If we go for advanced means yes, already asking no analysis and then machine learning, deep learning, numerical networks and all. This language is very helpful, user friendly, large number of method which is available, different kind of parameters which is available. Okay, so you can go for starting your career for computer world means go with learn Python. That is enough. Otherwise, learn for SQL server. Enough. Otherwise, go for learn Power BI. Enough for data analysis. If you really want to enjoy for developing programming, go with Python. No, I don't want to enjoy for developing a coding and all. I want to analysis. With the graphical environment means go with the Power BI. That's enough. Like Power BI, lot of like how you are going to do analysis with the Excel. No, table of information is there. Go for converting information to pictorial representation, chart preparation. Data analysis means that is not a big one. We have the data. I go for extracting the information, extracting the data based on my boss requirement, based on my requirement. For example, I am having 1 million of student information. I want to find the students coming from KL. I am having one project proposal. I getting funding from a government. The government are giving the restriction for this project only for KL student. This project only for Perak student. So from 1 million of students, they can go for every year. Okay, so that 1 million of students, I extract the information. I want to see the address of the student, state of the student, fetch the Perak students only. And then after fetching the information, if the student is willing means, they can enroll the program, go for a study. This is extraction. Okay, from my data mining, data warehousing, large data is available. mining, detecting, extracting the information, do the analytics from my data. That is a data analytics. Okay, so these are the concepts. This language is really helpful for learning. Okay, any question? Okay, no problem, Mr. Shakir. Thank you. Sorry for taking 4 more minutes. Okay, and then one more thing, final one. Okay, so if you, this course is for introductory only, I teach. Okay, 1 minute.